Guys, and welcome to another new video. So today in this video I thought it would have been a different video, but no, we got something really unique up for you. So let me just show it this you at first. So one of our videos, there's a person of one of our really awesome viewer, Mr. So the channel name is Shop Liaison. So the Shop Liaison has asked that in Technish, where should I? So it is being asked that in Technish, where should I get content? Okay, so he or she wants to know that where can he or she get content for Technish? If I get it from Quantum Tech channel, will I not get copyright strike? So if Shop Liaison uses quantum text content, or is he or she is gonna get copyright strike or not? So I'm gonna answer you this question. So let's go on to quantum tech first. So whenever we go on to quantum tech, we can see it. Here is quantum tech. I have opened it for you. So I'm gonna go on to this one. So it's the 2 days ago it's been posted. So I am gonna just mute it, and after that I don't know if there is gonna be an advertisement or not. Okay, there's no advertisement that is being shown. So what can we see is that whenever we see a quantum tech video, what is happening is very simple. At first they gave us a hook that what will be the thing, and after that they show us different tech videos, right? So now what we're going to be doing is very simple. So we can see how quantum tech makes the videos. So quantum tech is making it something like this coming up next, and now we can see this. See, here is the product that PB Hitchlift JSR 30 on, that is 301, whatever you want to say. So whenever we see this video of quantum tech, what is happening is very simple. See, you can see that there has been the Pitbull Extreme Hitch Lift is a fascinating machine lift, right? So after that, we can see the PB Hitch Lift JSR 301. So we can see the website up here. So we can open this and we can see the video link also. So everything is given in a very detailed manner. So if you want to use quantum tech's own videos, you can eventually use it. Yes, but we are going to go up here and we can see. I'm going to give you two ways today. Okay, so the first option is to go up like this, and both of them are actually ethical. So which one you want to choose, it can be your own choice. So now after that, we can see that it has been posted on 2013, March 8 2013. It has got a decent amount of views. So here we can see the whole thing. So here is the pitch lift that is being used. Okay, and after that, here we can see all of this. So what you can do is very simple. You can easily download this video and you can make the it actually quantum tech is a compilation channel, we can say, right? So you can eventually do that thing. You can download it from the page, from this channel, and from here you just click share and you just copy the link. After you have copied the link, you just go on to Google, and after that you can just write from YouTube to MP4. You can use Y2Mate and all that platforms, and don't forget to give credit, and that is must. And now, if you don't want to do all the hard work like this, I'm going to give you an easy option. It's up to you. You can use quantum text video. How? It's a very simple thing. So let me take if we can get this note and we can use this one, and I'm just gonna draw something up here. So here we can see that if we easily use portions like these, if we use portions like this and we just crop it up, that is we are gonna be using, oh my god, that was really bad. And if we use something like that, so whenever we're going to crop it up, it is going to be something like this. So if we use this portion up here, we can easily use it, and we have to do something that we need to transform, that is the orientation that is being done by quantum tech should not be the same of yours. So you just need to from so let's assume that there are 5 videos, 1 2 3 4 5. So what you need to do is very simple. You just need to rearrange it in a formation of 5 2 4 1 3, and that's how it's been done. After that, you can easily use this thing, and you just need to add something extra so that it's transformative. And the best option is to use your own voice, or you can hire someone who is just gonna give the voice to your channel or to your video. Now after that, see, the whole videos that you can see is quite simple, and you can use all of that after each one of them. So again, if you see on another one, see, here is the written thing. So here is written that it allows you to easily and quickly remove your hard top. So here's the quantum tech logo, and nobody is gonna see that you have taken it from quantum tech. So if you want to do so, here is shop lies on. So if you want to try something like that, you can eventually do that. I think it would be great for you because you don't need to do all the hard work. But keep in mind, do give credit, because what is quantum tech basically? Quantum Tech is a tech compilation channel where they promote, yes, where they promote different tech gadgets or tech instruments or equipments, right? So, similarly, you can do the exact same thing. Okay, so here we can see the all the details, all the credits are being given with the Instagram pages and videos and all sort of things. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clear it up. I'm gonna clear all this, and now it's perfect. So I hope that you have got your own answer, and that's how you can also make something just like quantum tech. And if you're really passionate about tech, only then only just try this niche. But if you're not interested onto this niche or onto the tech niche, don't try it. Or if you want to do it for a business purpose, you can do it. It's your own thing. But the for consistency, if you're doing it for the first time, I would say the thing that you should do is to try the thing that you love, and to try the thing that you love and you can do it in a consistent basis. Because when you do a thing that you love, you don't think that it's you're doing something extra, you're putting in effort, because you're doing it in a very playful way, and it's really awesome, and it's gonna be a game changing scene for you. So I hope that I have given you your answer. Not only that, I have also replied uh, to the comment that I am starting a new channel where everything will be documented for all the beginners. And it's true. And you can go on to Basement Journey, JRNY. So, where everything is getting documented, that is so that each one of the people, so each one of the individuals who are just beginners, so that they can, if they don't have money even, so if they don't have an upfront capital to invest, I am making something for them that you can get results onto, so that you can see and you can get results on your own channel too. That will help you in growing. Now let's understand this thing, that what is the thing that's going to be happening. So for beginners, it's going to be really a game changing thing, and I am really passionate about that thing. So we are doing something on the food niche, because I have never myself tried it, and I'm really passionate about that niche too. So whenever you try to do we are just doing a compilation thing. So whenever you try to do something, do it if you really love it. So now I think Shoplizon has got his or her answer, and I am really happy. So if you have any questions like that, do comment me. I am either gonna comment you down the answer, or I am just gonna make a whole video for you like these, so that you so that you can be happy and I can also give you the best answer in a much more detailed way. So I think it was a quite detailed video that I have been able to give it to you all. So okay, so let me just stop the screen share. Okay, so guys, I hope that all of you have understood that how you can easily and effectively use videos from other people, and keeping in mind keeping it legal and keeping the things ethical, and you can easily make videos for your own channel too. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you again on another video. But before ending the whole video, if you want to really grow your channel to a really massive scale, you should definitely check out vidIQ. I have given a link in the description, which is an affiliate link. And if you don't want to make videos, and if you want an artificial intelligence to make videos for you, and you just need to give your voiceover and script, do check Vidnami. What is going to happen is that you don't need to work, you don't need to make videos and all that sort of thing. You just need to add voice and script, and everything will be automated, and you can easily make videos. So do check that too. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. See you again on another video. I hope that all of you have liked it, and you have, I think, subscribed the video to the subscribe the channel and like the video. I'm sorry. Now that was all for today. See you again on another video. Bye for now. Bye.